Grade 4 Math, number 82. Whole numbers can become improper fractions. As we've discussed before, an improper fraction has a numerator that is larger than its denominator. 5/3 is an improper fraction because the 5 is bigger than the 3. Sometimes they're called umbrella fractions because the top is bigger than the bottom. I want you to remember that a multiple is like the answer in a multiplication problem. It's like the product. It's the product of a number and a counting number. Like 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18. See, the 1, 2, 3 are the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then the multiples are the product of that counting number and the number 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and on and on. Those are the multiples. You have multiple 6s. You have more than one 6. Think of it that way, okay? So now we're going to talk about how a whole number can become an improper fraction. When we have a candy bar that is split into 4 pieces, we have pieces that are 1/4 of the original candy bar. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. There's 4 of them, see? 4 pieces of 4 is the whole thing. So even though this is cut into 4 pieces, 1/4 pieces, if we had all 4 of them, we would still have the whole candy bar. The entire bar is 4/4 now. It's one whole, okay? When we have 2 candy bars that were each cut into 4 pieces, each piece is still 1/4 of each bar, but now we have 8 of them. So we have 4/4 and 4/4, see? We have 4 1/4 and 4 1/4. When you add them together, we have 8/4. So the 8 pieces of 1/4 is 8/4, or 2 whole candy bars, see? So the whole number 2 can be written as 8/4. Okay. Well, just as 8/4 can be 2, because 8 divided by 4 equals 2, 4/2 can equal 2. 4/2 would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And 2/1 can equal 2, because 2 divided by 1 equals 2. See? If we don't cut the candy bars at all, we have 2 of one type of item. We have 2 of 1. We have learned that a fraction with the same number as its numerator and denominator equals 1. If this is a lime candy cut into 3 pieces, and we have all 3 of them, we've got the whole candy. 3 pieces of something split into 3 pieces is the whole thing. Well, whenever we see a 1 as a denominator, we know it was a whole number that was converted to a fraction. Whatever number it has as its numerator was the whole number. So 9/1 is 9. 4/1 is 4 whole. Because the fraction line represents a division sign, 8/4 means 8 divided by 4. Think of that fraction line as a division sign, or 8 divided by 4 written as a sentence equation, which is equal to 2. So 8/4 is another way of saying 2. Same with 3/1, which means 3 divided by 1, or written as a sentence equation, 3 divided by 1, which equals 3. So remember, think of the fraction line as a division sign, and the numerators as multiples. So for 5, 5/1 is 5, 10/2 is 5, 15/3 is 5, which would be 10/2, 15/3, 20/4, 25/5. These are all multiples of 5. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and a counting number underneath it. So if 20 was split into 4 parts, there would be 5 in each part, see? 3 would be 3/1, or 6/2, or 9/3, or 12/4. And see how these are multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. And the counting number is underneath, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See that? But 9/3 is 3. 12/4 is 3. 15/5 is 3. See? So keep in mind that a fraction sign is a division sign. That's going to eventually help you in algebra, believe it or not. So remember, whole numbers can become improper fractions. I'll see you next video. Bye.